Hello, welcome to the In 5 minutes. The next clamper circuit is a simple clamper circuit without a DC bias in series with the diode. When you look at the diagram, our first step in the analysis of the clamper X circuit is to find the half cycle in which the diode is getting forward bias. When you look at the diagram, what do you think, in which half cycle the diode will be forward biased? The positive half cycle or the negative half cycle? What we have in the positive half cycle? Positive terminal connected here, negative terminal connected here. Similarly, in the diode, you have this as negative, this as positive, right? So positive and negative will reverse bias it. So it won't be getting forward bias in the positive half cycle. So we are going to the negative half cycle. In the negative half cycle, we have negative sign over here, positive sign over here, and hence the diode is getting forward biased in the negative half cycle. So the circuit for the negative half cycle will have capacitor, then the diode will be short circuited, then you have a resistor RL, and finally the output voltage VO. Input, since it is negative half cycle, negative terminal will be connected here, positive will be here, and the waveform, input waveform will be in this format in the negative half cycle, and the maximum peak value is -1 volt. Now we need to find the charge on the capacitor. Since the capacitor is charging in the negative half cycle, again the charge will be negative positive. Now when you apply KVL in this loop, it will be -VI plus VC equals to 0. Now minus VI will be minus VC. So in this case, your charge on the capacitor will be minus V, right? Then what will be the output in this case? Output VO will be since the diode is short circuited, this resistance RL will be redundant, so your output VO will be 0 volt in this case. Therefore the capacitor will charge to 1 volt, that is minus of minus V. So we are getting the charge on the capacitor as 1 volt, and we are getting output voltage as 0 volt in the when the diode is short circuited, that is the negative half cycle, right? Then moving to the next half cycle, that is considering the step 2. We have in the step 2 we are considering the positive half cycle. In the positive half cycle, now the diode will be short circuit, the diode will be open circuited, and the circuit will look like the capacitor. Diode is open circuited, you have R, and finally the output voltage plus minus VO. This is your R, and the input now in the positive half cycle is going to maximum 1 volt. This is your input with respect to T, and the capacitor which is charged in the positive half in the negative half cycle as minus plus, and the charge on the capacitor we have found as 1 volt. Now when you apply KVL in order to find the output, we apply KVL from input to output. We get it as VI plus VC minus VO equals to 0. That means VO is VI plus VC. Now your input in this case is plus 1 volt and VC is 1 volt, so we are getting total output as 2 volts. So in the positive half cycle we are getting output as 2 volts. So when you look at the final output waveform, what you can find, in the negative half cycle we are getting output as 0 volt, in the positive half cycle we are getting output as 2 volts, and the total swing of the input and output remains as the 2 volts, which is the most important case in the clamper circuit. The total swing should always remain the same over here.